Hey everyone, it's Jeff with Eternity Shore. I am in my garage exactly 1 week before launch day on a Wednesday morning. And one of the things that I'm doing to get the boat ready for launch is to clean up these propellers. There's one cavity in each of the inner props on the DuoProp system. I took this to a prop shop and they said it wasn't a problem, and I'm going to believe them. However, when we first got the boat, these props were painted white, and as you can see, that paint is starting to come off, and there's really no reason for it to be on there. So I've been encouraged to take some steel wool, and I bought a little kit. And right now my job is to clean these all up, and I'm going to bring them to the boat maybe later today. These have quite a bit more paint on them, so this might take a little while. Trying to find what's the right one for this. All right, you can see that. Got most of the paint off, and then this is what I'm kind of looking at for the next one. A couple spots in here didn't get, but I got most of it off. I'll show you the finished product when it's done. Here you see the final result. They're not perfect, but they're much better. Pretty much all the paint is off. There was a little bit of paint right there, so I got rid of that. All right, this is all cleaned out, and put marine grease on it. It cleaned out this, put marine grease on it. You put the rear prop on first, and then you put this in with the flat part facing out. The little groove part actually faces in, so I put that one in. You have this tool that you can get online, which is what I got. Now, to tighten this, you have to put the boat in gear, in forward. So it's in forward, so it allows us to tighten it without the prop moving. Okay, now the outer prop. then we'll put the nut on. I think this has to be turned around. Yes, it won't tighten unless I put it in reverse. Alright, put it in reverse. Tightened up. Alright, port side prop is on, starboard side prop is on. Looks like the gap here is a little bit more narrow on the starboard side than it is on the port side. I don't remember there being a gap. So I need to go back and look, although it might be difficult to tell when it was painted. Now you can see that it's not. So besides cleaning up my mess, props are cleaned and back on, ready to go.